we have 2 packages today. Okay, we have number 1, which is the less important one, I guess, because it's kind of boring, most people would say. Anyways, that package over there is kind of sketchy. I don't know what's up with it, but here we go. Package number 1. We have a letter. I'm going to open it. I got a postcard. Oh my god. It's Trollex and Derpy. Okay, this is a really nice card. I'm keeping this. Wow. It's because the person I ordered this from had Trollex as a profile picture. And, you know, Trollex is one of my favorite trolls. So, yeah. And, I guess that spoils the plushie I bought. It's Derpy. Hello, it's me, Derpy. I love Derpy. And now she can live with the Build-A-Bear plushies. Even though she's not really a Build-A-Bear. I love this postcard, man. Trollex. Thank you, person. Now, this set... it's giant, so we might have to move back a little bit. Why is there a chair up here? I need to fix that. Because I could probably, like, if I take the chair down, put the troll castle down here, which I don't really see that as a castle because it's kind of small. I'm putting it right there. That's so nice, man. Those are some great drawings, though. Really is a great drawing of Trollex and Barb. Not Barb, Derpy. Okay, anyways. Derpy, welcome. You're about the same size as this Twilight. But you're bigger than Fluttershy. I mean, not bigger than Fluttershy. I mean, Pinkie Pie and Sunny. Okay, so this person wrapped this. Now, this is the Trolls package, so for anybody who's watching for Trolls, here. This is what I'm opening. Now, they double wrap this thing for no reason. Okay. Hey guys, there's that beautiful Trolls World Tour packaging, and like really one of the only sets I was missing, the giant troll character set. Ow, my feet! Okay, so I finally own a Cherub. I got a new Delta. See? Okay guys, I'm gonna open it. It's exclusive Tiny Island's pretty nice. But you could have made an exclusive of any other character. I don't know, maybe exclusive Hickory. Maybe an exclusive Prince D, since y'all never made him a figure. Like, that's my problem with buying this set. It comes with all the wrong characters. Well, not all the wrong characters, but like, Cooper is not a good thing for Funk. I know he is Funk, but you could have put Prince D or somebody else there. Oh my god. And I'm not trying to say, oh yeah, Cooper's not Funk. He already has a figure that comes in the Catterbus. So he shouldn't get a second one in a big set. We could put, like, 2 new characters in the set. Instead of just putting an exclusive Cherub. Because basically, at this point, there's 2 exclusives in here. These 2, because you can't get these 2 either anywhere else. You could get the Cherub if you tried, but not in most places you can get her. Her or him, I don't know what it is. Personally, I'm going to make mine's a boy. Because I kind of want him to be like Trolls art. I thought the Troll was going to be stuck to that. I was going to be really mad about that. So who should we start with? The characters that I really didn't need out of this set. Queen Puppy. Which is understandable why she's in this set. Super cute. She has a guitar. She has a glittery dress. Really cute. She gets to... Everybody's riding Derpy's back. Yeah. Okay, so she's on Derpy. Derpy, stand up. Poppy is going to be on Derpy's wing. Next, we're going to do Barb, since I don't need another Barb. But I think this Barb might have glitter hair, so yeah, I'm going to use this Barb. Yep, I love the tinsel hair. See, with Trolls, tinsel hair actually looks good. With ponies, it just looks like a ratty mess. Like, it's so hard to style the hair with this. Anyways, with trolls, there's not much style to the hair. You just pick it up, comb it out a little bit, lay it on. Then we have Guy Diamond down here chilling. Guy Diamond didn't come in the set. He's a personal character I own. As you can tell from the chicken nose. Cooper. Can Cooper's hat come off? I don't know. Cooper is the least character that I need right now because I have another version of character. Ow. Ow. Oh my god, his hat can come off. I don't know if that was intentional, but... Oh, here's my other barb, just on the ground. Only kind of tinsel she had was like tinsel from Twilight Sparkle's hair. Not Twilight, Applejack. I just lost Cooper's hat. Oh my lord. Now anybody can wear the Cooper hat. Oh my god. Thank you, game. I mean, not game. Oh my god, thank you guys. And it looks like it's intentional. What's up, boys? I'm gonna put it on Poppy. Could you do that with the other Cooper? I need to find my other Cooper so I can try. My other Cooper's like just right over here, so I'm gonna go grab him. Other Cooper. Who has more cut hair. Yeah, this Cooper seems like he has more of a restricted hat. Okay, I'm gonna put the real Cooper down here. Yeah, the fake Cooper's hat. I don't think this one's meant to come off. Unless I took off that other Cooper's hat by accident. Yeah, because this one doesn't have the ear wrap around like the other one does. Because the other one's actually meant to come off. So, here is Cooper. So you can actually perfectly style Cooper's hair now. I'm actually kind of glad Cooper got this set. I think I actually like that he got a figure now. Because he can actually wear his hat. But I'm still sad his brother didn't get one. We love you, Cooper. Adorable face, man. We're leaving the Cherub for last, because Tiny Diamond, I'm tired of Tiny Diamond, honestly. I have too much Tiny Diamond stuff. It's just one speck of messed up stuff on Delta. But here's Softy Delta.
Hello, everybody. I'm Delta.
So yeah, I'm going to make a new episode in a couple hours, maybe. If I feel like it, because I'm honestly kind of sad right now, but... There's Tiny Diamond. The Tiny Diamond that I had, the original one I had, that my little brother flushed, which most people know the story of. The flushed Tiny Diamond. Yeah, that was a depressing story, because that Tiny Diamond, he was the glitteriest Tiny I've ever seen. Then when I brought another one on Amazon, never as glittery as that Tiny ever could be. Never could compare. Anyways, here's Tiny. I took his thing out so that other people can use it, but it looks like it's kind of like twisted, so that's kind of the problem when y'all strap it to his arm with twisty ties. Like, I know y'all don't want it to get loose, but darn. So I'm going to show y'all all the accessories. Also, here's my Pip glasses, which I think can fit on trolls. That's a first gen troll. Well, not a first gen, you know what I mean. First trolls franchise generation troll. Because I think this is a Guy Diamond that... No, that's the guy... Yeah, that's a Guy Diamond that comes in those first packs. So let's get all the accessories, first of all. I know I'm going to lose these. I am a fire. Okay, let's go. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. Okay, there we go, guys. I know I said 2 separate videos today, but I wasn't expecting this package to come, so yeah. There's no point in doing 2 separate videos. That's just extra recording for me. My Trollex that I already have doesn't have his headphones because I kind of lost them, and This one has a glitter heart, so I like this one a lot more. Isabella, your friend's here. Time for dinner. Okay, so then the final piece to the puzzle. It has wings! Oh my god! I didn't notice that. Well, until now, but oh my god. This thing is so cute. I am so sad I didn't get this set any longer. Because I was contemplating getting the set, but $20 for like one figure and an exclusive was too much for me. But then when my whole troll figure collection got destroyed, it was kind of like, okay, I'll pay the, it wasn't $20 though. It was, I think around $12 because I got it off of eBay. Oh my god, beware. There is glitter everywhere because of this troll. Lord. Because nobody else had glitter besides him and Troll X. You guys can make it whatever gender you want. He, she, I don't really care. Mine's is a boy because, I don't actually know why. I might make it a girl. I don't know. I just kind of wanted this to be like a baby Trolls art or something. I can't fit the feet back in the feet mold. Probably because I'm doing it wrong. Honestly, I've been trying to getting lazy with these type of unboxing videos because I don't really like editing unboxing because the most I can do is speed up a clip that took forever to record. Anyways, I'm going to try to find all the trolls that I have that are figure trolls. Oh, I'm so sorry about you, Poppy. True Poppy. Did I just say that by accident? I should have the Poppy from the original set. There's Delta, original Poppy, but it's not really the original. It's just in the original face mold, which is one of my favorite face molds. Okay, this is what happened to my original Delta. Somehow her hair peeled off, and now she has white hair. See, she's messed up. So that's why I got this set. Because it was like 5 trolls I needed since... Or needed / wanted, because I didn't really need Troll X. I just wanted him. Because Special Edition Glitter Heart. And I need a new Troll X plush since his heart is fading. Jeez, he's probably going to die soon. He's not actually going to die. He's just going to die. To me, at least. Because the heart was kind of the whole point. Since I'm pretty sure the heart is how they stay alive, right? Anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. This isn't all of them. I gotta find more. Because I want to show you guys my whole collection of every franchise that I collect. Now, buying one merchandise item from a franchise isn't collecting from it. Like... maybe having like 6 or 7 of them and planning on getting more is collecting, like these LPS. I want to start LPS, but they're kind of expensive, so I just decided, okay, I'm going to start with the cheapest alternatives, which was not My Little Pony, it was Trolls, because My Little Pony is still expensive nowadays. These are all the Trolls I have in my box, and that's where I put all my Trolls. But I haven't finished cleaning my room, so there might be more scattered around. But this is most of them, and that's a giant collection. Anyways, guys, I'm going to see you guys next time.